Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get card discount on Flipkart. Add items to your cart, then tap Proceed to Pay to view payment options and offers. Look for bank or card-specific banners and click to apply the best instant discount. Always check minimum, spend requirements and eligibility conditions before confirming payment. If you have multiple cards, compare final payable amounts to pick the lowest price and save more. When you reach payment, inspect the card offer tiles for bank-specific discounts and cashback. Tap the offer to automatically apply it and watch the payable amount update so you know the true savings. Check any minimum cart value or eligible categories for the offer to avoid surprises. If the offer needs coupon input, copy and paste it precisely, then complete the payment using the selected card for instant discount and confirmation. Before you confirm payment, compare the final amount after applying each eligible card offer to pick the best deal. Some offers stack with exchange discounts or platform coupons, so test combinations if the checkout permits. Always save a screenshot of the applied discount and order confirmation in case you need to contact customer support. After payment succeeds, review your bank notification and Flipkart order details to ensure the promised discount was correctly applied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.